AI voice channels are getting hit hard. YouTube has started demonetizing faceless AI voice videos, and creators are scrambling. But don't panic, you don't need to throw away your whole channel. What if I told you that you could use your own voice, and still sound studio-level professional, even with a cheap mic? In this video, I'll show you how to enhance your voice using Murf AI, step by step, and sound like a pro without hiring one. Let's jump in. Step 1. Sign up or log into Murf AI. Go to https://murf.ai. Murf AI isn't just an AI voice generator, it's like having your own personal sound engineer. You can upload your raw voice recording, and Murf will clean it up, remove background noise, adjust tone and clarity, and make it sound like you recorded in a professional studio, all with just a few clicks. Step 2. Create a free account. You'll get some free credits to test it out. Step 3. Start a new project. Click on Create Project and name it whatever you want. This will open the Murf Studio workspace. Step 4. Upload your voice recording. On the left side, click the Voice tab, then hit Upload Voice. Select the audio file you recorded earlier, even if it's raw, noisy, or recorded on your phone. You can upload MP3, WAV, or even video files, it pulls the voice automatically. Step 5. Apply Voice Enhancer. Once your voice is uploaded, Murf AI starts processing it. Now click on Enhance Voice, and boom! In seconds, it'll remove background noise, balance your volume, adjust your tone, make your voice sound like a podcast narrator. Just listen to the difference. Step 7. Export your enhanced voice. When you're happy with the result, hit Export and download your enhanced voice file. You can now use it in your YouTube video, podcast, reel, wherever you want. And just like that, your voice sounds like a pro. No expensive mic. No soundproof room. Just you and Murf AI. If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or content creator, this tool will save your content and your sanity. Try it out at murf.ai, link is in the description. And if you want more AI tools like this, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. I drop weekly tools to level up your creator game.